Good morning and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Mr. Hartung. I'm going to be going through a few different things today to kind of get you acclimated to both the Essential Math class and Strategies class. So here you'll see on my computer screen is our Schoology courses. I have Essential Math, I have Strategies, 2 other hours for this 1.1 hex semester, if you will. So if you go into the first class, if you're an Essential Math student, Essential Math is right here. We just click on that. Here's where you'll find all the contact information, all your resources, your daily work for each day. So if you look, this is similar to the essential or the strategies classes as well. Contact information and resources. If you click on the contact information, it'll bring you to a page that has my email, my phone number, WebEx, different ways for you to communicate with me. As you can see here, you can see the office hours, email, WebEx, and just different ways to contact me if you have questions, need help with homework, different things like that. So if we go back to contact information and resources, under the resources as well, you'll see the syllabus. So click on that for Essential Math, click on syllabus again. It'll bring you to a different page. This is a Google Doc, so it will bring you to that. So here again, this is kind of like the contact information, but this kind of goes through the course description, what we'll be doing in math, what they'll be learning, the standards, how they'll be graded for class, the tardy policy, behavior expectations, technology policy, goes through the phone usage. Obviously, Eastridge is a no cell phone school policy. We go X out of that, we'll go back. Next, you'll see the daily work folder. Here's where students will see all their daily work every day. As hopefully they've seen already, September 10th and 11th, they had a math placement test that they're supposed to take. Hopefully they got that done and in. So today and tomorrow, September 14th and 15th, you'd see, if you click this drop down button, today, September 14th is the lesson. With the lesson, there's homework to it that they got to write down. They'll take a picture of their what they wrote down for the homework portion of it. They'll take a picture of that and upload it into the Schoology assignment on here. And as you can see, everything is in 2-day increments. That is to help with the hybrid, the AB part of it. The first day will always be the lesson. Second day will always be like a follow-up lesson or a homework. In this instance, day 2 of the September 14-15. Day 2 is just the homework or a homework piece of that. So the lesson days, students will come in the first day of the 2-day series. These videos, the video will be posted for them to do the math lesson. I will be here to help give that one-on-one support in the classroom. Students can ask questions. I can help them through different things. I can extend the learning. I can differentiate the instruction for them. Day 2 is for them to do that homework or extend the lesson even more. But like I said, on the adding integers one, it's just a homework just so that kids can kind of get used to this format. So when students on B Day come in, they can also continue to get that help from me, get the differentiated instruction and things like that. I've already put a September 16th, 17th folder up here. That's Wednesday, Thursday, obviously. We'll be continuing with the adding integers. So they'll be able to see 16th will be another lesson, 17th will be homework, and extending the lesson. And September 18th, Fridays, will usually be kind of like a quiz from that week or extending the lesson, maybe a fun assignment that students can do kind of just round out the week. So that's about it with daily work and essential math. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Now for the strategies portion, you'll see the strategies. Click on the strategies. It's basically similar. Contact information, resources, the syllabus will be up here. Here's resources again. So here it's the 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens that we might be doing some of the different things from that book. Daily work is similar to the essential math. Everything's in 2-day increments. So you'll be able to kind of get the lesson on the first day. Second day there might be homework or extended learning to that. So just make sure that you're checking in every day on the daily work, making sure that homework is up to date. You've gone through all the lessons and you're getting that learning done. That's about all I have for you today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Obviously, if you would like to contact me, all my information is in the contact information and resources button under each of the Schoology pages, and look forward to hearing from you soon and seeing everyone in class.